Alright guys, we are officially 1 month out. And let me tell you, I am not feeling motivated to finish this product. I feel like I'm at this slope where you come up, you're super motivated to do something, and right before you hit your last little oomph, like, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna get ready to rock, just like, I don't wanna do this anymore. Can we just move on and do something different and just have it done? It's really easy to get caught up in projects. You go work every night on the RV and then you go to bed. You wake up the next morning, go to work, you come home, go outside, work on the RV, and you repeat. I know that this is something that we're working toward in the future so we can spend more time together as a family. My focus is on the journey itself rather than the process to get there. So I feel like every step of this needs to be a family venture. And too much work means not enough adventure. So I think today is a great opportunity for us, because it's 4th of July, to get out, kind of hang out, and refresh ourselves. But first, coffee. Coffee, coffee, coffee. That's the stuff. All right, now let's go get ready. So we're gonna head downtown and check out the festivities. I think we did miss the parade, but we'll still be able to see some of the other stuff, and also take the dog and get her hair cut. 1 minute, I gotta get changed real quick, but I'll be right back. All right, I feel much better. I think it's cold outside, so we should be all right. Let's roll. So the whole reason we're making this video is to kind of break up the mundane and the everyday if you're trying to get something done. And to take a step back and realize that life is an adventure, and enjoy it together. So
we're gonna have some family time today.
Yeah, and this kind of gives us an opportunity for you guys kind of to get to know us better.
That bacon maple. Oh, we're just vlogging.
Thank you. Wake up.
Yeah. You guys are currently propped on her stroller. Courtney cam.
All right. Yeah, this is our video of you videoing us. Check this out. That's kind of funny. I've been active duty for the last 8 years, Navy, and I'm just getting out of the Navy, going reserves. And since in that time, we both realized that we love traveling and we love going places.
Yeah, because with the military, you literally move around a lot with your, like, family-wise, but also just when you are deployed and stuff like that. Like, he's been around the world, basically. So,
we love that, but we don't like being away from family, and being away from family really really sucks. And really the purpose in life is to spend it together. Yeah.
So we just got married last November.
Yeah.
we grew up together though. We've known each other for like over a decade. So it's kind of nice that like all of our family's in the same area. So when we go home, it's like everyone's there. So that's pretty cool. But so yeah, we got married in November in Hawaii. It was amazing. It was beautiful.
It was actually our first video that we've ever made, and had this idea, the whole YouTube starting thing is so that family could hang out with us and see us, since they couldn't be with us on our wedding and honeymoon. We'll link that video below. It's pretty interesting.
Yeah,
we've learned a lot since then, but it's pretty good.
So when we got back from that trip, we were like, okay, we want to, like, what's next? Like, he either had to like re-enlist, or we had to figure out what our next plan was going to be.
Yeah.
Finley's coming. So we were trying to decide if he wanted to stay in, and that would probably mean we'd stay here in Washington, or if we wanted to, like, what's next? Like, if he wanted to get a job, go to school. So then we're like, okay, well, if we do get out, then, or if he does get out, like, how are we gonna do that? Like, where are we gonna live? Like, we have to buy a house, we have to like, or rent, or like, it just seemed like there's a lot of factors. So that's why, like, we had the idea of like, let's just live in our RV, and then that way, you know, wherever we end up, we don't have to like rush into
buying a house.
Yeah.
We can find a good district for Finley. So to expand further on what I was talking about in the RV, I feel like if you're a type of person, well, I don't know, I guess to say if you're a type of person, you have a bunch of projects that you haven't finished yet, like laying around the house or anything like that, I would say don't renovate an RV. Just from what we've learned right now, it's a ton more.
It's just overwhelming, and I mean, more so that like after Finley was born, it just kind of got hard to have both of us just like, okay, let's wake up on the weekend, and you know, as soon as we wake up, within like 20 minutes we're out there working on it. Like now, you know, we don't have that luxury, you know, everything's based off her schedule now. So most of it's just been falling to like him to get it done. So I mean, we're what, like a month, less than a month out?
Yeah, and less than a month.
I mean, we have most of the stuff done, but a lot of it we've decided, you know what, we can't get this done, it's livable like this, like let's just worry about like the bathroom and the bedroom like later on. So right now we just really need to get the flooring in and then move our stuff in. So luckily though, with the military, they will have movers come out and like pack and move your stuff, so we're super thankful for that. So we don't have to worry about any of that. So at the end of the month they'll just come and do everything for us. So all we have to do is move our stuff into the RV, which shouldn't take too long, but
we'll see.
It's kind of where we're at on that. But yeah,
I think I would rather be inside with these guys than outside in the RV. So it's kind of taking away from them. In the long run, it's worth it because we're gonna have a nice place to be, and then I will be able to hang out with them. But I feel like the span from the first time you start a renovation to the end, you need to just stop. And well, this is me telling me. You need to stop in between, and it's like you gotta continuously do.
Yeah, you gotta have family days. Like today, like this is her first 4th of July, and this is both of ours favorite holiday. Like, heck yeah, we love it. So we just want to celebrate it, make it special for her, and so she can look back, you know, at this video or whatever, and you know that we took the time to spend time together as a family, which is the whole point. So, I feel like that's something important to say. Oh, also, he's going to school full time right now as well, so that kind of, and including Saturdays, so we don't have very much free time to, you know, work on the renovation and stuff like that. Like today, we were supposed to do the flooring, and I mean it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon or 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and it took us that long to get out of the house because she was up all night, so I didn't sleep, so I had to sleep in, and you know, just all those little factors that.
This is like the real life.
Yeah, like that takeaway. So anyways, I guess that's kind of where we're at.
Let's check out some more of this stuff, these things.
Probably get some more food, like a hot dog.
I love, food is great. All right, guys. Guys, look, we found an Airstream. And they have food. That's the best.
Pizza. It's pizza.
I love pizza.
Arms and hold me close. Rain down on me. Rain down on me. Fill me with your precious Holy Ghost. Rain down on me. Rain down on me.
It's been a long day. She's tuckered out. Alright, since we're giving you updates kind of on everything, I also want to give you an update on Bella too. She's going to the groomers today. We're actually there right now. But her coat, we usually get a puppy cut. And just recently we decided to give her a little mohawk. You can see it.
Kinda, yeah.
Just a little one now. She's gonna go get cut again. So the mohawk is gonna be a lot better.
Yeah, you'll be able to, I mean, we just started this last time, so it was pretty short, but yeah, it's gotten a lot longer. So with like the shaved side, I think it'll be, we're doing it all the way. So from like her head all the way to her tail. So it's gonna look pretty cool. We saw like a picture of Donkey
From Shrek?
from Shrek, and
Yeah.
someone gave their gray schnauzer a cut like that and looked exactly like Donkey. So we're like, we need to try this. So I mean, she gets groomed like every other month, so if we hate it, we'll just cut it the next time. So I don't know about that.
Alright guys, we're messing with these now. We're home. So we'll catch you in the next video.
Oh, weird. Okay, see the color now?
Yeah.
Oh, it's weird,
Yeah,
like how it burns.
this is way better than the other ones.
Oh my gosh, yeah. Oh! Oh my gosh! It's catching on fire, it's on fire! Oh, that scared me. I feel like these are a hazard.